An extraordinary name, right? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, this moment is the second to advise yourself about it. It might appear to be an account, yet that is the means by which this exceptional advanced monies process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this bizarre yet particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese type of canine called Shiba Inu and thus Doge. From that point forward, this quickly developing digital currency turned into a popular name, Dogecoin. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most famous purposes of Dogecoin is tipping individual web participants who produce or offer incredible substance. It bears more worth fundamentally because of its easy-to-understand framework. No savvy preparing, no unique ability required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any products in stores through charge cards. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. A decision element of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more powerful way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be interested to purchase Dogecoin. Endless web-based entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin cryptographic money to constantly dominate recently send off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin, don't be a pickpocket. Dogecoin's cost has huge potential. With the sort of acclaim rising, the presence of Dogecoin is tremendous in contrast with different contenders. Obviously, a significant justification behind this is the critical benefits expressed here in above. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Generally agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is presently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. An administration or bank is a concentrated foundation that can truly print its own cash. Conversely, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so on adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed herein before, helper evidence of work frames the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering excavators to handle Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to settle convoluted conditions. When the condition is settled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the excavator is compensated with Doge. Doge figure, the cost will be around 16 cents in 1 year, while in the following 5 years, the cost will reach 86 cents. Doge might exchange at 8 cents toward the finish of 2022, 13 cents by 2025, and 29 cents by 2030. Examination, Dogecoin will be a productive interest over the long haul. As per the Dogecoin cost forecast, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. Cost forecast, the base cost of the coin will be around 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, and the most extreme cost may be 12 cents. Dogecoin specialized investigation. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when essentials never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the principles are being revamped or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another rush of advancement. Furthermore, in that wave, new kinds of resources could have a decent spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrible to those trapped in the progress. Vulnerability isn't great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't really great for progress. No big surprise. Dissimilar to all digital currencies, Dogecoin esteem also was powerless to the high and lows of market esteem, cost vacillations. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you really want to look out for your speculation. You really want to peruse the digital money cost gauge and be ready. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital money market, there is a fair Dogecoin future. The transient assessment for the quick help level is 5 cents. The significant help level is 3 cents, though the qualities for the prompt and essential opposition levels are 12 cents and 16 cents, separately. In any case, throughout the past year, computerized monetary forms have seen a monstrous unpredictability stage, and Dogecoin is no exemption. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change, including Dogecoin's market cap as well. Nonetheless, we actually must know the vacillations in Dogecoin cost may be impacted in view of the present moment and the drawn-out gauge of cost. During the last year, the Dogecoin cost activity stamped exceptional changes alongside its market capitalization. according to the last year's cost pattern. The Doge cost has confronted a huge fall after a critical bullish convention. However, the new Dogecoin cost variances have shocked financial backers and dealers in the midst of a gigantic auction. As a matter of fact, the Dogecoin cost gauge has been the cynosure of the media. The laser-like focus accumulated by Dogecoin tokens is fundamentally because of its change. The Dogecoin cost expectations have prompted new financial backers to search for long-haul gain from the Dogecoin speculation. As indicated by the most recent Dogecoin news and tweets, the Doge cost forecasts estimate an unstable pattern. The base cost expected is around 2 cents. Assuming that we take a gander at the drawn-out viewpoint, the future cost of Doge is anticipated to be around its past ATH of 73 cents over the course of the following 10 years. As per our drawn-out cost forecast, throughout the course of recent hours, Doge USD has denoted a minor ascent. Its absolute market cap is exchanging around $8,511,361,950 and is presently the 10th greatest advanced money on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is at around 6 cents, and it is anticipated that the coin will in the middle between transitory dives alongside its market capitalization. Furthermore, according to the current situation of Dogecoin, the cost for Doge could contact the 9 cents mark before the current year's over. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with helping the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout the course of recent days. Elon Musk's persistent help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another unsurpassed high of 73 cents because of non-stop big-name support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the forthcoming months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla product with Dogecoin. Likewise, as per the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyberwhistle, Giga Texas Belt Clasp, and Cyberquad for youngsters. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from Walk 19, 2022, and Imprint Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Nonconformist, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin built up forward movement via web-based entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting signals. Dogecoin Forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enlist a steady ascent. Also, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents. On the drawback, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin Forecasts 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross 40 cents toward the finish of 2024. According to our conjecture, the anticipated most extreme cost for 2024 may be around 45 cents. On the drawback, the low may be around 8 cents. What's in store results anticipated don't be guaranteed to mirror the long-haul acquiring potential.